Nestled in a private estate among the rolling hills of Howard County, Maryland, you'll find a boutique hotel unlike any other. Welcome to the Columbia Inn at Peralynna. This charming inn combines the warmth and appeal of a country manor with the elegance and impeccable service of a five-star resort. Here, you can start the day with a delicious breakfast in the atrium and end it by curling up by the fire with a good book from the lending library. The Columbia Inn at Peralynna has been named one of the top 25 places to live well by Forbes Magazine and has received the Diamond Award and the Sapphire Award for 8 years in a row. It's the ideal setting for intimate weddings, corporate retreats, or family getaways. Escape, unwind, and relax at the Columbia Inn at Peralynna.